But statistically speaking, surgery is the second cause of death in the United States. Complications from surgery are a serious problem in terms of the impact on the families and their patients, and a huge cost to the healthcare system.
Every 3 tumor patients endures complications that often
Take brain surgery.
result in second
1 out of every 3 tumor patients endures complications that often result in second intervention.
Heart surgery
And the cost of the
is
healthcare
much
system
higher number
is
of
$500
procedures.
million a year.
It's a 14%
Heart surgery with much higher number of procedures, but much procedures
There's a lot of
is a
reasons
14% complication rate
that I'm
and
gonna
$1
talk
billion
about.
to the system.
Surgeons
There's a lot of reasons for these complications, but I'm going to talk about
Surgeon today
how the
use 2D
surgeons plan their procedures.
study, analyze, and
Surgeons today use 2D images
from their early training days,
study,
they are
analyze,
used to
and decide on their case.
translate 2D images
From their early training days,
model
they are used to
that they use to plan.
translate 2D images into 3D model representations that they use to plan their system. It takes time, and they typically get good at it, but in certain part of their autonomy, when they are patient-specific, that are very patient-specific and a dense network of vital organs, artery, and nerves, this is somewhere where the surgeon goes blind. Our solution is we have developed a technology using computer algorithm that reconstruct 2D images into 3D object. We put these 3D objects into an augmented reality environment to allow the surgeon to manipulate them directly and to plan the best surgical path. Our first product is a neurosurgery planning and simulation system. We will allow neurosurgeons to navigate inside the brain, to cut across different planes, to observe and isolate and inspect the target structure and the immediate surrounding of vessel and nerves. Our system will also follow the established workflow for each use case. Contrary to our competitors, this will be done in their office at their desktop using simple 3D glasses and a lightweight pointer similar in ergonomics to their surgical tools. Beyond our first product, which will clear FDA and launch in mid-2020, we will introduce the operating room visualization suite in 2021. We will then focus on art surgery and then LUGS after this. Our value proposition clearly resides in our ability to deliver, the surgeon with access to dynamic and exceptionally detailed 3D images of patient anatomy for an affordable desktop system that is unobtrusive and easy to use, and that will integrate 3D surgery planning into their daily work routines. We will provide many benefits to other stakeholders in the healthcare continuum, but they will not in themselves drive the initial adoption of our product. This is a worldwide market, very competitive technology with a number of companies in virtual and augmented reality as early stage competitors. Our product and technology are uniquely positioned to compete in this large market. We're starting with brain surgery because this is the most complex, and we have unique technology to image this structure better. This is a very focused in terms of the customer base, and it is also a large beachhead market with 33,000 neurosurgeons in the world, represented $1 billion in annual market. If we add heart, lung, and kidneys, the market expands tenfold, and we start moving into the offices of doctors for help in diagnostics. Once we address the clinical market, we will adopt a fairly standard direct sales and partnering strategy used by most medical device companies. In the meantime, we'll benefit from our ability to seed the market starting in mid-2019 with a pre-FDA cleared system to be used for resident training and simulation, starting with our 7 pilot sites, 4 in the US and 3 in China. We will also rely on our advisory board to promote our products to other key opinion leaders with their professional circles. Another key early activity will be to develop technical partnership with some of the established leaders in surgical navigation to facilitate our next product entry into the operating room. The company was started in October 2017, and we quickly raised $500,000 from friends and family. Since then, we have confirmed. Is that it?
10 seconds. Go wrap up this slide.
Okay. Thank you. So this is our critical milestones, and this is what's going to drive our fundraising. Thank you.
Awesome.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.